Hello. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Kariza Autos. Today, we're diving into the exhilarating world of high-performance supercars to explore the 2025 Lamborghini Huracán, a masterpiece of engineering and design that continues to push the boundaries of what's possible in automotive technology. Whether you're a die-hard Lamborghini fan or just love hearing about the latest and greatest in the supercar world, this video is for you. The 2025 Lamborghini Huracán is more than just a car. It's a statement of power, precision, and elegance. This year's model builds on the legacy of the Huracán lineup while introducing cutting-edge technology and enhanced performance features. Under the hood, you'll find a naturally aspirated 5.2-liter V10 engine that roars with authority. This beast delivers an impressive 640 horsepower and 600 Nm of torque, allowing the car to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.8 seconds. The top speed, a jaw-dropping 202 miles per hour, ensuring that the Huracán continues to dominate both the track and the road. The Huracán's exterior design is a perfect blend of aggression and sophistication. The sharp lines, aerodynamic curves, and signature Y-shaped LED headlights give the car an unmistakable presence. For 2025, Lamborghini has introduced new color options, including a stunning metallic blue and a vibrant orange, alongside a variety of customizable finishes. The lightweight carbon fiber bodywork ensures optimal aerodynamics, while the redesigned rear diffuser and active rear wing enhance downforce for better stability at high speeds. Step inside the 2025 Huracán, and you'll be greeted by a luxurious yet functional cockpit. The interior features premium materials such as Alcantara, carbon fiber, and fine Italian leather. The driver-centric layout includes a fully digital instrument cluster and a new 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and advanced navigation. For the audiophiles, the car offers an optional Bang & Olufsen sound system that delivers crystal-clear audio, making every drive an immersive experience. But it's not just about performance and looks. The 2025 Huracán comes equipped with a suite of advanced technologies that enhance both safety and driving pleasure. The Lamborghini Dinamica Veicolo Integrata (LDVI) system uses real-time data to adjust the car's dynamics based on road conditions and the driver's inputs. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system ensure a safer driving experience, whether you're navigating city streets or tearing up the open road. For those who crave customization, Lamborghini offers the Ad Personam program, allowing buyers to tailor their Huracán to their exact specifications. From unique paint finishes and bespoke interior trims to custom wheel designs, the possibilities are virtually endless. This level of personalization ensures that every Huracán is as unique as its owner. The 2025 Lamborghini Huracán also makes strides in sustainability without compromising performance. It features lightweight materials and improved fuel efficiency compared to its predecessors. Additionally, Lamborghini has hinted at integrating hybrid technology in future iterations, aligning with the brand's commitment to reducing its carbon footprint. Priced at approximately $270,000 for the base model, the Huracán remains a dream car for many, offering a perfect balance of performance, luxury, and exclusivity. If you're lucky enough to experience this supercar, you'll quickly understand why it's one of the most coveted vehicles in the world. That wraps up our in-depth look at the 2025 Lamborghini Huracán. We hope you enjoyed learning about this incredible machine as much as we enjoyed bringing it to you. If you have any thoughts or questions about the car, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Kariza Autos for more updates on the world's most amazing cars.